Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is x plus y equals 10 and x multiply y equals 34. We will solve this question step by step. First of all, consider x plus y equals 10 as equation 1 and x multiply y equals 34 as equation 2. Now from equation 1 we will get x plus y equals 10, which implies that the value of y will be 10 minus x. Now from equation 2 we have xy equals 34 and we will substitute the value of y in this equation, then x into 10 minus x equals 34. Now x is multiplied by 10 minus x, we get 10x minus x square equals 34. Now make this a quadratic equation. So it will become minus x square will move toward this side. So get x square minus 10x plus 34 equals 0. Now we will apply the quadratic formula because we cannot make the factors of 34 such that when they are added gives 10. So according to that we have the value of a from this equation is 1, the value of b is minus 10 and the value of c is 34. Now apply quadratic formula on this, then x will be equal minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 of a. So we get x equals minus b means minus into minus 10, it will become plus 10. Then plus minus b square means minus 10 square minus 4 into ac mean a is 1 and c is 34. Divided by 2 of a means 2 into 1. So we get x equals minus minus plus, plus minus 10 square is 100 and 4 fours are 16, 4 threes are 12 and 13, 136 divided by 2. So 100 minus 136 will be 36 and minus 36. So in place of minus 1 we can write iota square. So we get 6 square iota square divided by 2. So this will be cancelled out and we have 10 plus minus 6 iota by 2. So this is the value of x. So we will write this as, in place of this, so x equals 10 plus 6 iota by 2 and 10 minus 6 iota by 2. By solving this we get 5 plus 3 iota and 5 minus 3 iota. These are the two values. Now if x equal 5 plus 3 iota, what will be the y? So y equal 10 minus x, so 5 plus 3 iota, 10 minus 5 minus 3 iota. It means that we get 5 minus 3 iota for y. Now when if x equal 5 minus 3 iota, Then what will be the y? Y equal 10 minus x. So 10 minus x is 5 minus 3 iota. 10 minus 5 plus 3 iota. It means that 5 plus 3 iota. This will be the value of the y. So we will get the solution as, again write the solution of x and y value. So we write x equal 5 plus 3 iota and y equals 5 minus 3 iota. X equal 5 minus 3 iota, then y equal 5 plus 3 iota. So this is the solution. Now we will do the verification of this. So for verification, substitute the value of x and y in the left hand side and get the right hand side. So x plus y equals 10. So substitute the values in this equation. So 5 plus 3 iota and plus 5 minus 3 iota. You can see 3 iota and 3 iota are cancelled out and we get 5 plus 5, 10, that equals right hand side. So if we do again for the other root, this is for 5 plus 3 iota. Now again x plus y equals 10. So in place of x we will substitute 5 minus 3 iota and 5 plus 3 iota. You can see 3 iota and 3 iota are cancelled out. Again we get 10. That equals right hand side. So you see how we easily solve this equation. Now, if you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.